a satisfying and flavorful meal without the use of meat. Sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries have become a favorite side dish among young people, providing a healthier alternative to traditional French fries. These fries are typically baked in the oven and seasoned with a variety of spices such as paprika, garlic powder, and cumin. The popularity of sweet potato fries can be attributed to their ability to provide a satisfying and indulgent snack without the use of unhealthy oils. Additionally, sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense vegetable, providing a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Vegan sushi. Vegan sushi has gained popularity among young people looking for a plant-based alternative to traditional sushi. These rolls typically consist of vegetables such as avocado, cucumber, and carrots, along with flavorful sauces and seasonings. The appeal of vegan sushi lies in its ability to provide a healthy and flavorful meal without the use of raw fish. Additionally, vegan sushi can be customized to suit individual tastes, with a variety of filling options and sauces available. Lentil soup. Lentil soup has become a popular meal option among young people, providing a comforting and nutritious meal that is easy to prepare. This soup typically consists of lentils, vegetables, and flavorful seasonings such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric. The popularity of lentil soup can be attributed to its ability to provide a satisfying and healthy meal that is high in protein and fiber. Additionally, lentil soup can be customized to suit individual tastes, with different vegetable and seasoning combinations available. Quinoa salad. Quinoa salad has become a popular lunch or dinner option among young people, providing a nutritious and filling meal that is easy to prepare. This salad typically consists of quinoa, fresh vegetables such as cucumber and bell peppers, and a flavorful dressing. The appeal of quinoa salad lies in its ability to provide a healthy and satisfying meal that is high in protein, fiber, and nutrients. Additionally, quinoa salad can be customized to suit individual tastes, with different vegetable and dressing combinations available. Conclusion. Today's youth are embracing vegetarianism and veganism, with a growing interest in plant-based meals that are both nutritious and delicious. Avocado toast, Buddha bowls, vegan burgers, falafel wraps, vegan mac and cheese, jackfruit tacos, sweet potato fries, vegan sushi, lentil soup, and quinoa salad are just a few of the favorite vegetarian dishes among young people. These dishes are popular for their health benefits, environmental impact, convenience, and flavor. As more and more young people adopt plant-based diets, we can expect to see even more innovative and delicious vegetarian dishes in the future. Vegetarian and plant-based eating is on the rise among young people today for health, environmental, and ethical reasons. As youth experiment with vegetarianism, certain dishes are standing out as favorites that cater to their palates and lifestyles. This article explores some of the most popular vegetarian options enjoyed by today's youth. Falafel. These Middle Eastern chickpea fritters remain one of the most ubiquitous vegetarian street foods, especially on college campuses. They are highly portable, budget-friendly, and customizable, appealing to young people. Falafel sandwiches, platters and bowls filled with veggie sides, pickled vegetables, and tahini sauce satisfy youth looking for a quick, flavorful vegetarian meal. The protein and fiber in chickpeas make falafel nutrient-dense. They contain some healthy fats from olive oil used in cooking. Today's plant-based youth appreciate falafel's potential for customization with vegan mayonnaise and various toppings.